The world is on the cusp of a technological revolution unlike any seen before. This new era is characterized by rapid advancements in technology that are reshaping our daily lives and the way we interact with the world around us. Artificial intelligence and automation are rapidly transforming industries, reshaping the job market, and redefining the very nature of work. These technologies are not just tools, they are becoming integral parts of our professional environments, enhancing efficiency and productivity. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It is our present reality. These innovations are making our lives more convenient, allowing us to focus on more complex and creative tasks. AI, in essence, refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and even making decisions. This includes learning from experience, adapting to new information, and making decisions based on data analysis. The ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately is one of AI's most powerful capabilities. Automation, on the other hand, involves using technology to perform tasks without human intervention, often replacing repetitive or physically demanding jobs. This shift is leading to more streamlined and efficient production processes. The confluence of AI and automation is creating both challenges and opportunities for workers across all sectors. It is essential for the workforce to adapt to these changes by acquiring new skills and embracing continuous learning. While some fear widespread job displacement, others see the potential for increased productivity, economic growth, and the creation of new and more fulfilling jobs. The key lies in how we manage this transition and support those affected by it. Understanding the impact of these technologies is crucial for individuals, businesses, and policymakers alike. It is important to develop strategies that maximize benefits while mitigating potential downsides. As we delve deeper into the future of work, it is essential to approach this transformation with a balanced perspective. We must weigh the pros and cons carefully to ensure a fair and equitable transition. By embracing lifelong learning, fostering adaptability, and focusing on human-centered skills, we can harness the power of AI and automation to create a more prosperous and equitable future for all. This journey requires collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to inclusivity. AI and automation are not merely changing the way we work. They are fundamentally reshaping entire industries, creating a paradigm shift that is both exciting and challenging. From manufacturing and transportation to healthcare and finance, no sector is immune to their transformative power. These technologies are driving unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In manufacturing, robots and AI-powered systems are automating assembly lines, improving efficiency, and reducing the need for human labor in repetitive tasks. This shift is not only increasing productivity, but also allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. Self-driving trucks and delivery drones are poised to revolutionize the transportation and logistics industries, potentially displacing millions of drivers, but also creating new opportunities in areas like fleet management and software development. These advancements promise to make logistics faster, safer, and more reliable. The healthcare industry is witnessing a surge in AI applications, from diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy to developing personalized treatment plans. AI is enabling doctors to make more informed decisions, ultimately improving patient outcomes. AI-powered robots are assisting surgeons in complex procedures, while virtual nurses are providing patients with 24/7 care and support. These technologies are enhancing the capabilities of healthcare professionals and ensuring that patients receive the best possible care. Even traditionally, human-centric fields like finance and law are being disrupted by AI. The integration of AI in these sectors is streamlining processes and increasing accuracy. Algorithms are now used to analyze financial data, detect fraud, and provide investment advice, while AI-powered legal assistants are automating tasks like document review and contract analysis. This not only speeds up workflows, but also reduces the margin for error. The common thread across these industries is the automation of routine tasks and the augmentation of human capabilities. AI is taking over mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on more strategic and innovative work. AI is not replacing jobs entirely. It is changing the nature of work, requiring workers to adapt their skills and embrace new roles that emphasize creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem solving. As we move forward, the collaboration between humans and AI will be crucial in driving progress and innovation across all sectors. The rise of automation is a defining trend of our time, with profound implications for the future of work. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the integration of automated systems into various industries is becoming more prevalent. While automation has historically been associated with manufacturing and manual labor, its reach is now extending far beyond these traditional sectors. Advances in AI and robotics are now enabling machines to perform increasingly complex tasks, including those previously considered the exclusive domain of humans. These tasks range from intricate assembly processes to sophisticated problem-solving activities. In manufacturing, robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that allow them to perform tasks with precision and efficiency. They are capable of performing delicate assembly tasks and adapting to changing production environments, making them invaluable assets in modern factories. This has led to significant efficiency gains and cost reductions for businesses, enabling them to produce goods at a faster rate and with higher quality. However, this technological advancement has also raised concerns about job displacement for blue-collar workers, who fear that their roles may be rendered obsolete by machines. The transportation industry is on the verge of a major disruption with the advent of self-driving vehicles. These autonomous systems are poised to transform how goods and people are transported. Autonomous trucks, taxis, and delivery drones promise to revolutionize logistics, reduce accidents, and improve fuel efficiency. They offer the potential for a more streamlined and safer transportation network. However, the widespread adoption of self-driving vehicles could displace millions of truck drivers, taxi drivers, and other transportation workers, leading to significant economic and social challenges. Even white-collar jobs are not immune to automation. The rise of AI-powered software is transforming the landscape of office work. AI-powered software is now capable of performing tasks such as data entry, accounting, and customer service, which were once the domain of human workers. This development has the potential to displace workers in these fields, raising concerns about the future of white-collar employment. While automation can free up human workers from repetitive and mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on more creative and strategic activities, it also raises concerns about job security and the need for retraining. Workers must be prepared to adapt to new roles and acquire new skills to remain relevant in the job market. The impact of automation is not limited to job displacement. It is also changing the nature of work itself, influencing how tasks are performed and how workers interact with technology. It is also changing the nature of work itself, requiring workers to develop new skills and adapt to a rapidly evolving technological landscape. The ability to leverage new tools and technologies is becoming increasingly important. Workers must engage in continuous learning and training programs to keep pace with technological advancements and remain competitive in the job market. The ability to work alongside machines, analyze data, and solve complex problems will be increasingly valuable in the automated workplace. Collaboration between humans and machines will define the future of work. As we move forward, embracing automation and its potential while addressing its challenges will be crucial for building a sustainable and inclusive future for all workers. The rapid advancement of AI and automation necessitates a fundamental shift in how we approach work and education. Adapting to this technological revolution requires embracing lifelong learning, cultivating a growth mindset, and developing skills that complement and leverage the capabilities of intelligent machines. Traditional education models that focus on rote memorization and narrow skill sets are ill-equipped to prepare individuals for the demands of the AI-driven economy. Instead, there's a growing need for educational programs that foster critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and adaptability. Lifelong learning is no longer optional. It is essential for survival in the rapidly evolving job market. Workers must be willing to continuously update their skills, acquire new knowledge, and embrace emerging technologies. This requires a shift from a degree-centric approach to one that emphasizes continuous learning and skill development throughout one's career. Furthermore, cultivating a growth mindset, the belief that one's abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work, is crucial for navigating the uncertainties of the future of work. Individuals with a growth mindset are more likely to embrace challenges, persist through setbacks, and adapt to changing circumstances. If you found this video interesting, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Stay up to date with the latest trends and tips on navigating the AI-driven world. Join our community and never miss an update.